Welcome to my channel. I'm Jen Blackthorn, and today we're discussing an essential topic for professional tarot readers. We're talking about cleansing, clearing, and resetting your deck. Whether you just acquired a used deck or you're noticing repetitive cards no matter how much you shuffle, or you're feeling some energetic gunk, I've got 7 methods to refresh your cards for a more accurate reading. Reorganizing. First up, let's talk about reordering your deck. I like to think of this as a factory reset. It's very simple. You just put the cards back in numerical order, then by arcana, then by suit. The order I use for the suits is wands, swords, cups, and then pentacles. I chose that order because of their time correspondences. Wands are days, swords are weeks, cups are months, and pentacles are years. By putting the cards back in numerical order, you're eliminating the influence that's already on the shuffled cards. I like to combine this with meditation because it takes about 20 minutes and I really get in the zone. I take this as an opportunity to clear my mind and energetically disconnect from anyone I've read recently. Once the cards are in order, I walk away for a little bit, then come back and shuffle. Knocking. Sometimes you don't have 20 minutes. If you're at an event with back-to-back readings, you need to disperse the energy between clients quickly. My favorite method of clearing energy between clients is knocking. I like to knock 3 times on the deck using my knuckles. This way, my intention makes direct contact with the cards. I go as far as visualizing energy dispersing from the deck with each knock for an extra boost. If a reading was particularly heavy, I'll knock 12 times instead, doing 3 knocks on all 4 sides of the cards. Crystals. Crystals can be used to cleanse. My go-to is selenite. Recently, I've been using this gorgeous selenite bowl, but I've used a box of tumbled selenite before. I place the deck on the bowl and then use the selenite ball on top of it. This is probably overkill. Tumbled selenite will work fine. Leave the cards overnight if you can. I also use the bowl between clients when I'm working on my online and email readings. I don't take it to in-person events though because I don't think it will travel well. Also, people usually have beverages with them at events and selenite comes apart when wet. White calcite is a decent option. I just prefer selenite. Moon bath. Nothing gets me in a witchy mood like a full moon. The moon is a great option because not only does it have cleansing properties, it also corresponds with intuition. You can leave your cards out in direct moonlight. Some people leave them outside or on a windowsill that faces the moon, whichever works for you. As a bonus, you can place your cleansing crystal on top of the deck to anchor the intention to cleanse. Smoke cleanse. Disclaimer: do not use white sage, palo santo, or ingredients sacred to a closed practice or culture you're not a part of. Smoke cleansing is not the same as smudging. Smudging is a very specific ceremony. Do not go out there and say Jen Blackthorn told you to smudge cards. She did not. Okay? Thanks. Smoke cleansing is another fantastic option. Avoid herbs that are sacred to indigenous cultures like white sage unless you're part of these cultures. Instead, I recommend rosemary or thyme. In my practice, we believe in animism. We believe that herbs have a spirit. So before igniting them, I spend time with the herbs. Once ignited, simply pass your deck through the smoke to cleanse and purify the energy. In this video, you won't really see good smoke just because I did not want to waste herbs on a demonstration. Sorry, but use your imagination. Salt. So in this demonstration, I am combining 2 videos just because I've already done one for TikTok. I also didn't want to waste salt on a demonstration that I already did. So that's why you're seeing both black and white salt here. Now, salt does not cleanse, it neutralizes. There is a difference. I recommend neutralizing when there's negative energy on the cards. Negative energy can be sticky and hard to remove. Neutralizing it first will make it easier to cleanse. Just because strangers have touched your cards doesn't mean they've left negative energy on them. It just means they've left their energy on them. So neutralizing isn't always necessary. Also, neutralizing alone doesn't remove the energy. It's still there. It's just not negative or positive. So I recommend following it up with a cleanse. So if your deck feels heavy or overloaded with energy, bury it in a bowl with, of course, salt overnight. You can follow this up with a crystal cleanse or a moon bath for a thorough reset. Meditation. Finally, let's not forget the power of your mind. Meditation is a powerful method for cleansing your card. Ground and center yourself and visualize a bright light enveloping cards, clearing away any excess energy. Focus on this until you feel your deck is reset and ready to use. And there you have it, 7 ways to cleanse, clear, and reset your tarot deck. Remember, if you're reading for strangers regularly, it's essential to keep your deck energetically clear, especially if you let strangers shuffle the cards themselves. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks on professional tarot reading and living a magical life. Bye!